Hello, this is Luis at Classic Cars of Palm Beach, located in Jupiter, Florida. Our phone number is 561-529-3101. And this is going to be a quick walk around video of our 2023 Bronco Badlands with the advanced package. A couple modifications done to this Bronco as well. Make these videos not to hype up the car in any way or form, just to point out any imperfections, if any. This is a 2023, so it is like a new vehicle. Has around 240 miles on it. So brand new vehicle, full warranty. Has 37-inch tires with 17-inch wheels. Look really good. Hard top, factory roof rail. Very clean under here, no mud or anything like that. Push bar, front bumper with KC lights, tow hooks. Really, really nice Bronco. Very, very nice Bronco. Does have the big screen in here, 12-inch. Leather seats with the orange stitching. Does have auxiliary switches up here. Smells like a brand new car because it is a brand new car. No pet hair. Last owner wasn't a smoker. Doesn't smell like smoke or anything like that. That's a quick view of the 2023 Bronco Badlands 2-door. If you have any questions, please reach out. 561-529-3101. Thank you.